Hello, all you beautiful Bird's Nest girls. How are you? Guys, I hope you're happy and I hope you're well. My name is Natalie Angel and I'm from at Let Me Try Before You Buy. Thank you so much for the opportunity to spend some time with you today. Guys, I'm going to take you through some new arrivals, all right? I'm going to take you through some new arrivals from Bird's Nest and let's see what's what. Guys, I am a fairly standard size, Australian size 16. At the end of this video, I will have my up-to-date measurements for you, okay? So you can see how the garments are sitting on me, okay? And I'll give you all of my personal insights into sizing, fit, and hopefully I'll be able to give you some styling inspiration. Let's get into it, guys, and see what's new from Bird's Nest. My gorgeous friends, let me stand here for a moment while I have all of the details below for you. Okay, for the gorgeous garments that I am wearing. Guys, this is a great look. I'm actually really excited about this skirt. I'm really excited about this skirt, but let's get into this gorgeous cotton and linen blend blazer, okay? Let me give you a good close-up. Now, friends, I am a true linen lover, okay? And the thing is with linen is you need to let linen just be, okay? Don't try and force her to do something that she doesn't want to do, okay? Linen does not respond well to being ironed, okay? If you iron the linen, you're squashing it and you're flattening it and you're adding an unnatural sheen to it. And then what that does is when it creases very harshly, okay? If you just let the garment, so this garment has been steamed, okay? And as the day goes on, okay, if I get in and out of the car, sit down, stand up, bend over, who knows what we get up to during the day, they will become little crinkles, but they won't be as amplified as if the garment was ironed. So just have a think about that with linen, okay? But this is a linen and cotton blend. Babes, I'm in the size 16. I don't even normally do a jacket up, but I just want to show you that sizing is actually very good for a size 16 fit. And I've got a belt on underneath here, guys. So I think that sizing, I actually want to say that it's generous in the waist. Generally with this type of garment, I would always encourage you to have it a little bit open, okay? Because that's slicing and dicing your midsection beautifully, okay? But arm allowance is really good in here, guys. Let me take this off, guys, and show you. Because this will be a great jacket for my ladies in the warmer climates. Okay, or if sometimes during the day you get a bit hot. Okay, so no lining, which is great. But what I'm very, very grateful for is look at all this workmanship in here. Okay, so the seams have been finished properly, which is really nice. Guys, it's a typical blazer. Okay, we have the gorgeous buttons here. So this is, I really like this jacket and I hope that you do too. Guys, let's get into this skirt. I've paired it back with an older style. It's the runaway top, okay? This is currently on the website. I'm not sure what sizes are available, guys, but this is what I wanted to utilize from Bird's Nest, okay, to create this look. Guys, let's get into this skirt, okay? Let's get into this skirt, my gorgeous. I hope you're having a good day. Okay, let's get rid of all this business in here so you can see. This is a straight up and down skirt, okay? So this is the size 16 and it's fitting my hips beautifully, okay? But it is too large for me in the waist, okay? But I want you to purchase this skirt based on your hip measurement, okay? Because you can always add a belt and you can always, this is an easy fix, guys, for a seamstress to alter this. This garment, it does have some stretch. So this is going to mold to my body throughout the day. Gee, I just think that this is such a clever skirt and I want to tell you why. If you're rectangular, if you lack waist definition, this skirt is going to be amazing for you, gorgeous, because it's telling the observer what to do. So you're automatically drawn to the beautiful V at the front, and then I will actively encourage you to wear a belt, okay? Excuse the creasing, but I just want to make a point here. I don't want anyone doing this, okay? Because you're just creating a harsh line at your widest part, okay? So with this particular skirt, if you've got a mum tum, this is beautiful because you can belt it, bring this up here, blouse this over a little bit, and guys, it's just a great casual look and the observer's going boom and then straight here and then up to your gorgeous face. Guys, let me do another look with this skirt. Casual look with this one, and I'm utilizing a beautiful white fitted tee from Bird's Nest, okay? Guys, this is a fitted tee, all right? So this is a tee when you want to tuck. in my opinion. If I wanted a more relaxed version of this tee, I would need to upsize to the 18 because I'm not necessarily big breasted for my size range. Okay, so this is good. This is I just want to be clear on that, guys. This is a fitted tee. So have a think about with your white tee, because we all have a few of them, don't we? And we need them for different types of styling opportunities. So just have a think about that with this one. I would absolutely say that this is a tucking tee more than a lounging, blousing tee. Now, guys, have you noticed anything different with the skirt? Because I'm not wearing a belt and it's fitting me really well. What type of sorcery, okay, have I achieved here? Now, guys, I just want to give you a hot tip. It's not going to be for everyone, okay, but I don't want you not buying this skirt, okay, because I think this is a great skirt. And from a brand's perspective, it's absolutely impossible, okay, for any brand. And God knows, I think Bird's Nest would be the one who would try the most, okay, to manufacture one skirt that's going to fit every Australian woman, okay, because we all carry our weight differently and we're all different shapes, okay. So this skirt, as I mentioned before, is fitting me beautifully in the hips, okay, but it's a little bit too big in the waist. All right, I want you to go to Spotlight. I want you to buy some elastic, and you can also do this with your jeans, gorgeous. Okay, look at this. Okay, so what I've done is I've wrapped elastic, okay, and I've pulled these two buckle belt hoops in. Now, the reason that I've used elastic is that so when I sit down and get up, okay, it's comfortable. It will flex with me, okay, but I'm now getting beautiful cinching. The garment is sitting on me beautifully, okay, because sometimes you might fluctuate in weight, you might gain weight, you might lose weight, okay? So sometimes you might need a different amount of support here. So babes, have a think about that, okay? Obviously, you can only do this trick when you are covering the belt, when you're covering things at the back, okay? But as a get out of jail card, guys, all right, just thread it through, okay, and then cinch. Thread it through again, cinch, and then tie off. But make sure you use elastic so you've got flexibility when you stand up and sit down. Okay, let's get into something else. Tell me this dress isn't all shades of amazing. Folks, all you're going to be doing is smiling all day, okay? And you're going to add probably 10 or 15 minutes, okay, to your schedule for every lady coming and asking you, where's the dress from? Okay, babes, have a look at this. Black background, 100% cotton, all right? Okay, this is good fabric. This is really, really great fabric. Friends, I've done some Minky Moo. I'll come to it in a minute. Just let me walk for you. Gee, this is a great dress. Now, I'm getting all excited, babes. Guys, this is a cracking dress. Friends, if you don't like to show shape, you don't have to in this dress. Okay, it's kind of giving you a subtle waist definition on its own, okay, which is going to be great for tummies. It's going to be great for apples, okay, it's especially going to be great for my rectangular friends, okay, so those who just are straight up and down in the torso, okay. If you're not going to utilize these, I want you to pull them out, just throw it out, okay, because a waist tie, whether you're utilizing it or not, if your waist is your sore spot, okay, by putting a bow is just drawing the observer's eye to it, okay. So if you're not gonna utilize this to cinch, I want you to remove it. I want you to remove it, okay. And then everyone can just enjoy the dress, and they don't need to be looking at your tummy, okay. All right, sizing is amazing. Sizing is amazing. Let me take you through the Minky Moo, guys. I will always actively encourage, okay, broad-chested women, big-chested women to slice and dice, okay? So this has quite a conservative neckline, all right? So that's how we are, okay, as the garment was designed, all right? So some of you might much prefer that, and that's completely up to you. This dress is belting so beautifully. So guys, in case you're wondering what I did with the ties, guys, okay, I just fed them through the bottom hole, all right? So they're underneath, they're inside the dress at the moment, okay, so I could belt, all right? So have a think about that as a hot little tip. I've popped on some conservative workplace appropriate shoes, okay, and done the sleeve. Now, just a little hot tip if you're meeting me for the first time, hello. Guys, a little hot tip I do so that the inside of the garment doesn't show, all right, is I just spend some time here turning the sleeve on itself, okay? Sometimes it takes a little bit more work, but it's worth it in the end. Okay, so I've folded that on itself. All right, got it to where I want, and then I fold it down. Okay, and then what that does, it ensures that the outside of the fabric is always showing. Okay, all right, guys, so you can have sleeves up, sleeves down. Let's see what's next. Stop watching this video, go straight to the Bird's Nest website and buy this dress, then come back. Okay, buy it in your recommended size, buy it for your breast measurement. Okay, the garment will take care of the rest. Okay, so I'll see you back here in a minute. Guys, okay, let's get into this dress, and let me quickly, this is an amazing dress. This is great. Big titties, big tummies, big tush. This is beautiful. 100% linen. We've got pockets. Oh my goodness. This is great. This is amazing. Guys, I want to discourage you from downsizing, and why the breast measurement is so important, okay, is because of this pleat. If the pleat is put under too much pressure, you're going to lose the beauty of the dress, okay? Guys, I've got the sleeve up on one side, down on the other. Do not hesitate. Run, don't walk on this one, babes. How's about this for a great springtime look? Guys, okay, so again, I think we're establishing how fantastic this jacket is. Guys, I've got the linen cotton jacket. I've got the fitted tee, okay, which is tucked in. All right, and I've got some grey. I'll have the details of these jeans below. I believe that if your size is not available, these jeans will be restocked soon. All right, these are a really, really great mid-rise. These aren't high-rise jeans. Sizing is very good. Stick to your usual size with ever so slight amount of distressing. So if you're a mature woman, okay, I want you to feel modern, and it's important to me that you feel relevant and on trend, okay? These are a great pair of jeans for you to do that, okay? The distressing is minimal. All right, we've just got a little bit here, and a little bit here, okay? And it's just going to lift and modernize your look, okay? I can often tell the age of a woman by the type of jeans that she wears, okay? I want you to come with me. I want you to feel relevant, okay? I want you to be seen, and I want you to be admired, okay? So this is a super conservative, fresh springtime look. All right, guys. Now, some of you might be saying, well, Natalie, I can see your t-shirt here, and yes, you can, okay? My advice, when you're tucking into white bottoms, okay, whether it's short skirts, whatever it may be, is tuck the top into your underpants. I can't do that because I don't own this top, okay? So guys, if you tucked this white tee into your skin-colored underpants, okay, and then did your jeans up, you wouldn't have this issue here, okay? So this is another little hot tip. Let's keep going. Top pick. If you have a tummy, this is a great top. This is a great top. This is a fantastic top. Oh, this is great. Okay, so what this top is doing is it's giving me shape and structure, but it's not just a sack. And that's the hardest thing. When you've got a significant tummy, I understand how hard it is to find tops that give you some shape that aren't just overwhelming, okay, and just make you look, you know, a lot bigger than you actually are. This is a great top. This is so this will just skim over your tummy, okay, so it's actually flat over your tummy, and then it's giving some definition here, which is really great. Babes, I just wanted to show you really quickly the difference. So this leg here is the leg that I've unrolled the jeans, okay, so these are a 7/8 jean on me. I'm 175 centimeters tall. All of my measurements, okay, will be at the end of this video, okay, so you can cross-reference how the garments are sitting on me to how they'll sit on you. Guys, let's do one more top. Seriously, how good a Bird's Nest. Designed in Australia, made in Australia, this one, guys. There will be lots and lots of colour options. Gee, this is beautiful. Guys, this is a viscose polyester elastane blend, okay? It basically feels like bamboo. Insane amounts of stretch, okay? I will have the size of the top that I'm wearing here. I could downsize, I would say, but I kind of like the movement. I really like the movement that I've got at the back there, guys. Gee, this is a good look. This fabric has weight to it. Okay, so coming into the summer months, if you live in the cooler climates, I want you to purchase this garment with confidence, okay? I live on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. I could probably wear this garment for another month or so. Okay, so warmer climate girls, I just want you to think about, all right, if you're always in air-conditioned environments, this will be an absolute dream. Okay, but coming into the warmer months, this garment has weight to it, which gives the beautiful drape. Oh my goodness. Babes, that's everything I've got to show you from Bird's Nest. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Mwah. Much love.